Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome back on my channel. This is video part 2 about how to earn money on YouTube. And in my last video we talked about how to set up your YouTube account, upload video, and what is target and requirement to earn money from YouTube. And this is video part 2 about how to earn money, and we will talk about monetization, and we will sign up for Google AdSense account. If you missed my last video, then I will leave a link in the description so you can click on watch if you wish. As we talk, you need a 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour and last 365 days to earn money from YouTube. Once you complete your requirement, then Google will place some advertisement on your channel and that money will go to a Google AdSense account. From that account, you have to transfer to your personal bank account, whatever the way you want. So we will set up for a Google AdSense account. So like say you have a uploaded video, everything, and last 365 days you got already finished your target. Then how you will check if you are eligible or not? So basically you're gonna do, you wanna click on your channel, and over here if you go all the way down it says the setting. Over here you click on setting, and this page you will see channel status and features. You click on it, and over here all the options YouTube opening for you, and you will see here says monetization. As I'm not eligible yet because I have only about 350 subscribers, so and I don't have that enough watch hour. And as you see, all the options YouTube will open for you day by day. You uploading video or you completing your requirement, like you can custom your URL name and a lot of things. So we are basically going to talk about only about the monetization. You will apply here monetization once you finish your target, but we will still can be ready for monetization, and there's a lot of things you have to do. That's what we're gonna do. You can still set up your Google AdSense account. To do that one, we're gonna go back on our channel. Same thing, we're gonna click here. We'll click on YouTube Studio. I have a YouTube Studio. If you not you have a Creator Studio, a same thing. You will click on one of them. It will take you to the next page. At this page we're gonna click on other feature. If you have a Creator Studio, it will show you monetization over here, but we're gonna click on other features, and over here it says monetization. And this page, as we talked in last video, we have to accept their policy. Then we're gonna sign up for Google AdSense. You can start create over here, or you can log in if you have already. I have already logged into other channel. I will be using the same one, but I will still making video how to create. So we're gonna click on start, and this page it will take you to the next. We're gonna click on next. It will take you to the Google AdSense sign up or sign in page, and once you've done everything it will take you back over here. We're gonna click on the next. Over here, which channel you are using, you can do anyone. So I basically will choose this one, but basically whatever channel you have it, you're gonna do with that one. So once you came to this page, actually you will see we are ready to sign up Google AdSense account. That's the channel we are going to do, and it took URL number already. Once we click and get more out of AdSense, you can choose the options you want. There's a couple more options at the bottom. You want to have a choose one of them. You can just send me customized help for performance suggestion, whatever. I will click no, but you can do whatever. Select your country. That's more important because whatever country you are, they're gonna send you money according to their country. I'm in United States. Click on United States. We have a privacy policy. We have to yes, I read, accept, create account. So now we have a created account already, and to a little bit more, we gotta say yes, address line. Okay, because they're gonna send you money, then they're asking you about your all information about the address, city, phone number, everything. You have to submit over here. Phone number is optional. So I'm going to put my address of the camera, then we will go to the next page. Once you put your address and everything, you say it's submit, it will take you to this page. It will say redirect to your host. You click redirect, and now we already set up as a Google AdSense. We have requested already. It's gonna take time. They're gonna send us some kind of information email to verify. Then we good to go. We will go to the Google AdSense account. We will set up how we want to look our ads on it, and that's the way you can set up your Google AdSense account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. And next video we will talk about how to set monetization performance and how to monetize your channel. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.